चलो रास्ता किधर है?
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel bodostyle. So today's video gonna be a very unique video. See today where I am. Yeah. So today I'm here at the Mawsmai Cave, which is located near the Cherrapunjee. See, I'm under the mountain in the cave. It's very interesting. So you can see the rocks and even the cave. It's a little dark. See, everywhere there is a water. See, people are taking videos, but I'm going all watery inside. Look at there.
चलो रास्ता किधर है? What's the line to go? Oh my god, it's so amazing, you know. You need to visit this place, okay? Okay. Come. Oh my god. It's so interesting, you know. But it's all water, you got it.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you did not subscribe, please do it. So for now, bye bye, take care. See, I'm finding a little bit difficult to go through into it. It's a little bit down and I had to put the pressure on my back, and somehow see, I've managed to go through it.